Hello, I'm Melita here extending a hearty welcome to you to this transmission of TV Daijiworld.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from the Middle East. MCCP's annual throwball and volleyball tournament evoked good response in Muscat. News headlines from Mumbai. Bilava Association celebrates Platinum Jubilee with pride and jubilation. Sexagenarian Balakrishna Bhandari wins medals at National Masters Aquatic Championship. News headlines from Mangalore. Students participate with soaring spirit at Santrupti Intercollegiate Youth Festival. International Kite Festival 2008 allures beachgoers in the city. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song from the Lorna show held in Mangalore, a dance from Music Masti program held at Brahmaward, and another song from the 73rd Monthly Theatre held at Kalangan.
Apurva for apt life.
News in detail. Sports is a major recreation for the Mangalorean expatriates living in the Middle East. Sports events brings these Mangalorean families together. Mangalorean Catholic Center of the St. Peter's and Paul Church in Ruai in Muscat, in order to provide fun and entertainment to its parishioners, organized volleyball and throwball tournaments recently. The Mangalorean Catholic Center of Saints Peter and Paul Church, Ruai, organized a very exciting annual volleyball and throwball tournament for its members on Friday, January 18th at the City Sports Club grounds in Ruai. The tournament was declared open by Father Albert de Silva, Mangalorean priest of the Saints Peter and Paul Church, Ruai. Stanley Fernandez, president of MCCP, Valerian Dantas, main sports and finance coordinator, Dilip Correa, main cultural spiritual coordinator, Sunita Nazareth, Nora Was, sports committee members, Suraj Rubello and others were present. Dilip Correa and his team won the thrilling volleyball tournament. Valerian Dantas and his team were declared the runners-up. Terrell Saldana was declared the most valuable player of the tournament. The throwball tournament too was equally interesting. Sunita Nazareth's team presented a powerful play and won the first place, while Nora Was and team were placed in the runners-up position. Bilava Association Mumbai, with over 20,000 members, has been the premier organization among several Kannadiga associations functioning in the commercial capital of the country. Bilava Association was formed with the merger of Gokarnatha Kshetra, Bilava Hitavardhaka Sangha, Bilava Youth and Barkur Bilava Charity Sangha in January 24, 1932. M. Apparna was the first president of the association. The association celebrated its Platinum Jubilee celebration recently with full gusto. The Platinum Jubilee celebration of the Bilavas Association Mumbai was organized at the St. Mary's Church ground at Santa Cruz on Saturday, Jan 19th. Association President Jaya C. Suvarna presided over the function. Writer Hampa Nagaraja and Dr. Kamala Hampanna were the chief guest. MLA K. Jagannath Shetty, Bilava Association Dubai President Umesh Kukyan and Meenakshi Shinde were present. Shri Guru Narayana Sahitya Award was presented to noted writer Dr. Vyasarao Ninjur, and the Yakshagana Award was given to Raghunath Alva. Avalli Veeraru, a book written by Suryodaya Perampalli on the life of legends of Tulunadu Koti Chennaiya, was released on the occasion. Ganesh K. Pujari and Shama N. Pujari were also felicitated for their long and tireless service of 25 years. Being young is at heart and is not in age. Sexagenarian Balakrishna Bhandari, a resident of Chembur who has his roots in Mangalore, proved this true when he participated wholeheartedly in the 4th National Masters Aquatic Championship organized by the Swimming Federation of India in Mumbai recently. Age did not deter his soaring spirit and he won silver and bronze medals in the 60 to 64 year category. More than 600 swimmers from different states of the country took part in the competition, and the championship was held for the first time in the city. Balakrishna Bandari, a resident of Chembur, has won silver and bronze medals in the Senate Royal 4th National Masters Aquatic Championship organized by the Swimming Federation of India recently in Mumbai. Bandari won the medals by finishing 50 meters freestyle in 40 seconds and 50 meters butterfly in 50 seconds in the men's 60 to 64 years category. Now back home. This Sunday on January 20th, students of both professional and non-professional colleges in the coastal district were busy painting their faces, tattooing, arranging flowers to win prizes at the social cum charitable show Santrupti at the SDM Law College campus. We have a report on this. It was an event with a difference. Santrupti, an intercollegiate youth festival, witnessed a large number of young participants vying with each other to win different competitions. Intel and Spice, in association with Computer Planet, jointly conducted an intercollegiate youth festival Santrupti on Sunday, January 20th at SDM Law College in the city. The entire day youth festival had various competitions like face painting, tattooing, salad dressing, group dance, quiz, rangoli, mad ads, flower arrangement, 1-minute act, collage making, skit, laughter challenge and traditional dressing. These competitions were open to college students of both professional as well as non-professional colleges of Mangalore and Udupi. This socio-cum charitable show was inaugurated by Ullas M. Kamath, Chief Divisional Retail Sales Manager of Indian Oil Corporation Limited. The whole event was planned by Celebrations, an event management company. I'm sure the young participants had double joy as they won prizes and at the same time they had the chance to help the needy. Well, one more event took place in the city this weekend which kept the Mangaloreans busy visiting the beach, turning their eyes towards the sky. Yes, I'm talking about the International Kite Festival hosted by the Team Mangalore that concluded on Sunday, January 20th. We have a story on this kite festival, but after this short break, so don't go anywhere, stay tuned.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್.
Welcome back. The alluring beach at Panambur draws huge crowds every Sunday. And this weekend, a large number of people from different parts of South Canara and Udupi turned up at the beach. And all eyes were in the sky. They were watching the colorful kites that travelled along with their owners from different parts of the world in the bright blue sky of Mangalore. International kite flyers and the members of Team Mangalore flied the kites in Mangalore at the Kite Festival this time. This weekend, Panambur Beach, one of the most frequently visited beaches of Mangalore, was abuzz with hectic activities. There were not only birds and aeroplanes flying in the sky, but also were a good number of colourful kites that turned the evening into a memorable one for the beachgoers. The blue skies above the mild waves of the Arabian Sea at Panambur Beach were decorated by thousands of kites on Saturday, January 19th and Sunday, January 20th. More than 21 international kite flyers from 10 nations participated in the event. Along with them were hundreds of local flyers joining Team Mangalore's mission to spreading happiness through kites. The ONGC NMPT organized the international event for the second time, and Managing Director R. Rajamani set the ball rolling for the two-day event by flying the ONGC kite. Chairman of New Mangalore Port Trust NMPT, Tamil Vannan, flew the NMPT kite, while Inspector General of Police Ashwat Mohan Prasad flew the DK Police kite. Siddharth Kark, one of India's best-known documentary filmmakers, famous for his long-running TV series Surabhi, made a surprise visit to the festival and also tried his hand at kite flying. Team Mangalore proudly flaunted its specialty kites, including the Limca record-winning kite, Kathakali, and also Yaksha and Bharatanatyam. Stalls vending a variety of items, exclusive kite shops greeted visitors. For the kiters, it was a thrill to fly these dynamic structures and savor the positive energy that kite flying gives. At the festival, the sky was virtually a playground for the kiters. The sky was adorned with artistic kites of various shapes and sizes. Kites shaped like birds, animals, honeybees, ships, mythological characters, aeroplanes were flown by the delegates. A photography contest was also a part of the festival. The theme of the kite festival was global warming. Dom Martin from France won the first place in the theme kite contest, while the second slot was bagged by Bob Cruikshanks of UK. Among the Indian counterparts, Srinivas of Hyderabad won the first slot, while Ashok Shah of Maharashtra won the second slot. The Spice of DK district Yakshagana was performed on the beach. Kite flyers from 8 nations, namely Van Hoven and Johan from Belgium, Dom Martin from France, Michael Wengenmeyer and Simon Engelbert from Germany, Martin van Heenen from Holland, Bagus Ugrasena and Helmi Ginanti from Indonesia, Edoardo Borghetti and Barbara Villa from Italy, Kang Bumku and Yoon Woo Han from Korea, Abdul Halim Samad and Siti Hassan Ghani from Malaysia, Raymond D. Graff from Netherlands, Don Mark from USA, Bob Cruikshanks, Carl Longbottom and Sarah Longbottom from UK took part in the event. The Kite Festival came to an end on Sunday, January 20th. On the last day, special kites were also launched. It's now time for a break. After the break, we will bring you lots of entertainment programs, so don't miss it. I will be right back.
ಏನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವೆ? ಪರಿಹಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ ಅತ್ಯಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳು. ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಗಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಹೀಗೆನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ.
I had lot of dreams and Apurva made it possible.
ದುಂಬುಯಾನ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡೈತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಅನುಭವಡು ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಕ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಗುಟ್ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 2492417.
ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಾ, ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿರಾಮ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಪೂರ್ವ.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಗುತ್ತು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 2492417.
ಜಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ದೋಷ ಈ ದೋಷ, ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮೇಲೇಳುವ ಮೊದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಯ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಪ್ಪ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ, ಅಣ್ಣವರ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ನೀಡಪ್ಪ, ಬಾರ್ಲಾ.
ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಇರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳ ಖರೀದಿ, ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಸದಾ ಸಿದ್ಧ.
For anything and everything in real estate, property, real estate and developers,